guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. As you guys can see, my mother is grating 4 small potatoes and then washing them together. Then my mother will add salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of milk, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and then mix them all together. When you wash the potato, if you don't squeeze it, there will be water inside, so you have to squeeze it. After mixing, it should look something like that, and then we are going to drop it in the hot oil, and we are always going to fry them on medium flame. You guys should drop it like that. We are going to flip and fry until it has a golden color and it's crispy. After frying, you can see that the golden color has come, and then now we are going to transfer it to a plate. You can take whatever you want for the side dish and sauce. For the side dish and sauce, we took ketchup and mayonnaise for the sauce and some onions and chili for the side dish. And then we are going to serve it. Guys, I asked my mother to make this and she made it within 5 minutes. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.